What's something people don't know about old-school TV dinners? Well, let's take a trip back in time and uncover the story behind these iconic meals. TV dinners aren't just a quirky relic from the past, they're a fascinating piece of food history that's woven into the fabric of American culture. When you think of TV dinners, you might picture a retro tray, a black and white television, and a family gathered around the living room. But there's so much more to the story than that. These meals were more than just a quick fix. They were a symbol of changing times, a reflection of how technology and culture were shaping the way we eat. They brought families together in new ways, and for many, they were a little taste of the future right in their own homes. They're not just a thing of the past, they're actually making a huge comeback. In fact, if you walk down the frozen food aisle today, you'll see a whole new generation discovering the magic of the TV dinner. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about nostalgia, creativity, and even a little bit of culinary adventure. People are rediscovering the joy of these meals, not just for their ease, but for the memories they evoke, and the new traditions they inspire. The frozen food aisle has become a place where the past and present collide, offering a delicious blend of old-school comfort and modern innovation. Let's dive into the tastiest nostalgia trip ever. Imagine the excitement of opening up a perfectly portioned tray, each compartment holding a different part of your meal. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, maybe some peas, and of course, a little dessert tucked in the corner. For many families, this was a weekly ritual, a special treat, or even a lifesaver on those hectic nights when cooking from scratch just wasn't an option. The anticipation of peeling back the foil, the aroma wafting from the oven, and the simple pleasure of eating a meal that felt both special and effortless. These are memories that stick with people for a lifetime. TV dinners weren't just about the food, they were about the experience, the togetherness, and the little moments of joy that came with them. Back in the day, busy families didn't have DoorDash or meal kits. There were no apps to summon dinner to your door, and takeout was a rare luxury for most households. Instead, parents relied on the humble TV dinner, a marvel of mid-century innovation that promised a hot, balanced meal in minutes. It was a game-changer for working moms and dads, and it gave kids a taste of independence too. The convenience of TV dinners meant that even on the busiest nights, families could still sit down together and share a meal, no matter how hectic life got. It was a small but meaningful way to keep family traditions alive, even as the world was changing at lightning speed. They had TV dinners, those famous trays with little sections for meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and even dessert. The original TV dinner, introduced by Swanson in 1953, was a turkey dinner with cornbread stuffing, sweet potatoes, and peas. It was inspired by the idea of convenience and the growing popularity of television, which was quickly becoming the centerpiece of American family life. The packaging was designed to look like a TV screen, and the meal itself was meant to be enjoyed while watching your favorite show. This clever marketing move tapped into the excitement of a new era, when families were gathering around the TV for the first time and looking for ways to make mealtime easier and more fun. The TV dinner became a symbol of progress, a way to embrace modern living without sacrificing the comfort of a home-cooked meal. It was the ultimate shortcut for parents who wanted a hot meal on the table, fast. All you had to do was pop the tray in the oven, wait a little while, and dinner was served. No pots, no pans, and barely any cleanup. For many, it felt like a little bit of magic, especially on those nights when time was tight and energy was low. The simplicity of the process made it accessible to everyone, from busy parents to college students to anyone who just wanted a break from the kitchen. And let's not forget the sense of independence it gave to kids and teens who could prepare their own meal with minimal supervision, and now, they're making a major comeback. But why are TV dinners suddenly cool again? The answer is a mix of practicality, nostalgia, and a new wave of creativity that's transforming the frozen food aisle. People are craving comfort and simplicity, but they also want variety and excitement in their meals. TV dinners offer the best of both worlds, combining the ease of a ready-made meal with the thrill of discovering new flavors and combinations. Why? Well, let's break it down. Life's busier than ever, and people are loving the retro vibes. With work, school, social commitments, and everything else on our plates, finding time to cook a full meal every night can feel impossible. TV dinners offer a solution that's both quick and satisfying, and they come with a side of nostalgia that makes dinner feel a little more special. Plus, there's something comforting about the familiar flavors and the ritual of peeling back the foil to reveal a perfectly organized meal. In a world that's always rushing, TV dinners invite us to slow down, savor the moment, and enjoy a little throwback to simpler times. They're a reminder that sometimes, the best memories are made over the simplest meals. Today's frozen dinners are way better than the old school ones. Think real ingredients, fancier flavors, and cool packaging that makes dinner feel special. Brands are stepping up their game, offering everything from gourmet mac and cheese to international cuisine, plant-based options, and even meals designed by celebrity chefs. The packaging is sleeker, the ingredients are fresher, and the flavors are bolder than ever before. It's not just about reheating a meal. It's about enjoying a restaurant-quality experience in the comfort of your own home. Some brands are even focusing on health, offering low-calorie, high-protein, or gluten-free options to fit every lifestyle. The frozen food aisle has become a treasure trove of possibilities, with something to satisfy every craving and dietary need. Plus, they're perfect for those nights when nobody wants to cook or clean up. After a long day, the last thing most of us want to do is spend an hour in the kitchen and another half hour scrubbing dishes. TV dinners let you skip the hassle and still enjoy a hot, satisfying meal. And with so many options to choose from, there's something for everyone, whether you're craving comfort food, healthy eats, or a little bit of both. It's a simple solution that brings a sense of relief and relaxation to busy evenings, letting you focus on what matters most, spending time with loved ones, catching up on your favorite shows, or just unwinding after a hectic day. But here's the fun part. People aren't just reheating, they're remixing. The new trend is all about taking your TV dinner and making it your own. Social media is full of creative hacks and upgrades, from adding fresh veggies and herbs to drizzling on your favorite sauces, or even combining two different dinners to create a custom feast. It's a way to get the convenience you need without sacrificing flavor or personality. People are sharing their creations online, inspiring others to experiment and have fun with their meals. The TV dinner has become a blank canvas for culinary creativity, inviting everyone to put their own spin on a classic favorite. Add your own twist, like spicy sauce, fresh herbs, or extra cheese. Maybe you toss on some sriracha for a kick, sprinkle on some fresh basil, or melt a little extra cheese on top. Suddenly, your frozen dinner isn't just a quick fix, it's a canvas for your creativity. You can even pair it with a simple salad, a glass of wine, or a homemade dessert to round out the meal. Some people are even turning their TV dinners into themed nights, matching their meal to a favorite movie or TV show for a full-on retro experience. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Suddenly, a simple frozen dinner turns into a gourmet meal, and you barely lifted a finger. It's the best of both worlds, the ease of a ready-made meal and the satisfaction of putting your own spin on it. And let's be honest, sometimes the best meals are the ones that surprise you, even if they started out in the freezer aisle. There's a certain joy in transforming something ordinary into something extraordinary, and TV dinners are the perfect starting point for a little kitchen magic. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a total beginner, anyone can join in the fun and make mealtime a little more exciting. So next time you see those TV dinners at the store, don't walk by, grab one, get creative, and make dinner fun again. Whether you're feeding a family, hosting a retro-themed dinner party, or just treating yourself to a night off from cooking, TV dinners are a shortcut that's worth celebrating. You might even discover a new favorite meal or a creative hack that becomes part of your weekly routine. And who knows, you might inspire your friends and family to join in, turning a simple dinner into a shared experience that brings everyone together. The TV dinner comeback isn't just about food, it's about connection, creativity, and finding joy in the little things. Hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite TV dinner upgrade in the comments. We want to hear your best tips, your wildest remixes, and your most delicious discoveries. Let's bring back the fun, the flavor, and the community spirit that made TV dinners a household staple in the first place. Join the conversation, swap ideas, and let's celebrate the comeback of this classic dinner shortcut together. After all, food is meant to be shared, and the best meals are the ones that bring people together, whether they come from a fancy restaurant or a humble freezer tray. Who says shortcuts can't be delicious? With a little creativity and a dash of nostalgia, TV dinners are proving that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most satisfying. So go ahead, embrace the comeback, make it your own, and rediscover the joy of the old-school dinner shortcut that's winning hearts all over again. The next time you're looking for a meal that's easy, tasty, and just a little bit nostalgic, remember the TV dinner, and let it inspire you to create something memorable, one tray at a time.